Um, it is quite a challenge. The our brain only consumes 20 watts of power, and of that, only about half of that is higher brain function. So I've got basically a 10-watt meat computer to do all this, and I find this all to be very challenging for my 10-watt meat computer that is my brain. Um, uh, One thing that I think is helpful though is there's a big difference between training, how much mental workload training to do something takes versus uh, inference or executing that thing. So you could take, like, let's say, chess as an example. It might take, for argument's sake, 10,000 hours to become a grandmaster at chess, but then you can play the game in a few hours. Um, so that's sort of what has happened here with, say, Tesla and SpaceX, is that I have really way more than 10,000 hours into understanding how to build and grow a car company and a rocket company and satellites and all these things. I also, before SpaceX, was a co-founder of two internet companies, so I understand the internet, I understand payments and all that kind of thing. And so the mental workload required once you have trained on something is very low compared to the training itself. That is how I'm able to do things that required immense amounts of training over decades, but do not require much mental workload once the training is completed. Now, right now, for government, although I've interfaced with government tremendously, this is my first time actually trying to improve government. So there will be some initial training workload that is significant, and then we'll move to inference, which is several orders of magnitude easier than training.